This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Today's discussion is Walmart, Amazon, and Apple, and why Walmart, Amazon, and Apple. These are the three largest companies in the United States by revenues. And we're going to talk a little bit about how they've done year-to-date so far. The largest one, Walmart, is up about 5%. And this kind of makes sense because Walmart, at the end of the day, is a slow-growing, gargantuan cash cow that keeps on growing, keeps on doing the right things between retail and online and everything else and trying to build out its healthcare and some other verticals. But Walmart's up 5% year-to-date. It didn't get killed last year when the tech stocks got killed, and it hasn't risen this year as the tech stocks have risen. The second of those companies is Amazon. And Amazon had a disappointing 2022 and is rebounding well in 2023. It's, again, the second largest by revenues in the country. It's up 48% year-to-date, and that's based on like a lot of problems last year and sort of getting more focus this year towards efficiency, profitability, building again. The cloud service is doing okay. The retail business is doing okay. Being smarter about not as much bricks and mortar. They've still got some of these other investments, some of the big investments like an electric vehicle company. They took a lot of the write-offs last year, so this year things are looking a little bit better. But again, Amazon up 40% year-to-date. And finally, Apple. Apple's up to almost about $3 trillion in market cap. It's the third largest in revenues. It's up 40% year-to-date. It keeps on hitting pretty well on all cylinders. Its phone sales, which are so important, because its phone sales are the ecosystem that drives everything else. They make so much of their money from people buying cloud services, app services, everything else off the iTunes store. Everything else comes out of that at the end of the day, that iPhone. And so they need to keep that platform growing. People continue to buy iPhones, continue to spend $1,400 for the new iPhones and so forth. And that slowed down one bit, but still seems to be going great. So again, Apple's up 40% year-to-date. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Thank you very, very much.